The 2025 Tesla Model Y Juniper in pristine blue is more than just a vehicle, it's a symbol of the future of electric driving, combining cutting-edge technology, impressive performance, and striking aesthetics. This model, with its captivating pristine blue exterior, turns heads wherever it goes, offering a fresh and vibrant take on the already popular Tesla Model Y. As you approach the Model Y Juniper, the first thing you'll notice is its sleek and modern design. The pristine blue color adds a unique touch, emphasizing the car's aerodynamic lines and smooth curves. The minimalist design philosophy that Tesla is known for is clearly evident, with a clean front fascia, flush door handles, and a panoramic glass roof that stretches from front to back. The result is a seamless and futuristic look that sets it apart from traditional SUVs. Beneath its stylish exterior, the Model Y Juniper is packed with advanced technology and impressive performance capabilities. Powered by Tesla's dual-motor all-wheel drive system, this electric SUV delivers instant torque and remarkable acceleration. Whether you're navigating city streets or taking on long highway stretches, the Model Y Juniper offers a dynamic and exhilarating driving experience. The electric powertrain not only provides rapid acceleration but also ensures a smooth and quiet ride, with virtually no engine noise to disrupt the serene cabin environment. Inside, the Model Y Juniper continues to impress with its spacious and high-tech interior. The minimalist dashboard is dominated by a large, central touchscreen that controls nearly all of the vehicle's functions, from navigation and climate control to entertainment and driver assistance features. The interface is intuitive and user-friendly, allowing for easy access to all the car's features with just a few taps. Tesla's signature Autopilot system is also included, providing advanced driver assistance capabilities that enhance safety and convenience on the road. The interior design is sleek and modern, with high-quality materials used throughout. The pristine blue exterior theme subtly carries into the cabin, adding a cohesive and refined touch. The seats are comfortable and supportive, offering ample space for both front and rear passengers. With the Model Y's versatile seating configuration, you can easily accommodate passengers or fold down the rear seats to create a generous cargo area. This flexibility makes the Model Y Juniper perfect for both daily commuting and weekend adventures. One of the standout features of the 2025 Model Y Juniper is its impressive range. Thanks to Tesla's continued advancements in battery technology, this electric SUV offers an extended driving range on a single charge, reducing the need for frequent stops at charging stations. When it is time to recharge, Tesla's extensive Supercharger network ensures you can quickly and conveniently top up your battery, whether you're in Ontario, California, or on a cross-country road trip. Safety is a top priority for Tesla, and the Model Y Juniper is no exception. It comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety features, including collision avoidance, emergency braking, and lane-keeping assist. The vehicle's rigid structure, low center of gravity, and advanced airbag system further enhance occupant protection, providing peace of mind for both the driver and passengers. Driving the 2025 Tesla Model Y Juniper in pristine blue is not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about enjoying the journey and embracing the future of sustainable transportation. The electric powertrain not only reduces your carbon footprint but also offers a more cost-effective solution compared to traditional gasoline vehicles. With fewer moving parts and lower maintenance requirements, owning a Tesla Model Y Juniper is both environmentally friendly and economical. In addition to its performance and efficiency, the Model Y Juniper is designed to be a connected and smart vehicle. Regular over-the-air software updates ensure that your car gets better over time, adding new features and improving existing ones without the need for a visit to the dealership. This forward-thinking approach keeps the Model Y Juniper at the forefront of automotive innovation. In conclusion, the 2025 Tesla Model Y Juniper in pristine blue is a remarkable blend of style, performance, and technology. Its eye-catching design, advanced electric powertrain, and luxurious interior make it an excellent choice for drivers who want to experience the future of driving today. Whether you're cruising through the streets of Ontario, California, or embarking on a long-distance adventure, the Model Y Juniper delivers an unparalleled electric driving experience that is both thrilling and sustainable.